what is the mindset an investor should avoid, and also what is the importance of a financial coach. Mr. Hariharan, can you elaborate on these two factors?
Something that is followed in most investments is the herd mentality. Suresh has invested in this fund. I also want to invest in this. Suresh's need is different. Your need is different. Your risk appetite is different. Your goals are different. Your time period of investments are different. So don't just copy the behavior and the schemes of what others have done. Again, in equity, they may work. In fact, that also we are not supposed to do. But you can still take a chance with equity. In debt, it will not work. So these are some of the things that you should take into consideration. And again, before I conclude, you already have an advisor with you. Take the guidance, because debt as a subject is slightly more conceptual, more volatile. Market is not volatile as compared to equity, but the concepts are volatile. When I say volatile, there's a tendency to forget it after some time. That is why you need a coach who can guide you.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.